Hello and welcome back to another video. Glad you're here. Today I'm going to make another pen. I make a lot of pens, but I kind of want to see how this one turns out, as it were. I'm going to use this Buckeye Burl wood that I used on the letter opener that I put kind of the scales or handle on, or whatever you want to call it. I'll leave a link to that video down in the description, but seeing as how it's just a really, just a really pretty wood, beautiful grain and all that just by itself, I wanted to make that into a pen. It'll be a two-part slimline pen just like the other ones that I make, and just kind of take a look at it and see how it looks at the end. I think it's going to be really neat, but let's just get started on that. I'll might leave a link or two for other pen videos down in the description as well, just so you can get the idea. And I'll definitely leave the video, one of the first pens I made on this channel. I'll leave a video for that one, is how to really go through the steps of putting everything together and drilling your holes and gluing everything and stuff like that. But I won't go through all that in this video. I'll just kind of do the video of me putting it to, turning it down, putting it together, but I won't go over any of the details. I'll leave the link to that video down in the description as well. So let's get started. Pretty quick, simple, to the point. Like I said, I just want to kind of see how this turns out, because it is a really pretty wood. You'll see it at the end. I think it's going to be real nice. So let's get on that and see what we end up with. And there it is, all done. See, it came out really nice. You can see the, like I said, the Buckeye has a really beautiful grain just by itself. That burl wood, there's a lot going on in there. Just like every other pen, goes in, goes out. I think it looks really nice. Yeah, there you go. Alright, and that's going to do it for another one. Thank you all again for stopping by. If you have any suggestions for any woodworking type videos, leave a comment down in the comment section below. And as always, thank you all for stopping by and watching the videos. I appreciate it. It really helps me out. And I guess that's going to do it for another one. So until then, you all take care, and we'll see you next time.